24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is drifting at $75,903,776. ADA down around 0.5% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Cardano's EMA10 explicitly shows a truly descending pattern in a sort of enormous manner. Cardano generally shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, or so they really thought. 08 October 2023. In this video we'll especially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and generally attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts. What especially is certainly momentary cost expectation for Cardano, fundamentally is ADA a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano support and opposition levels, however, prior to jumping especially profound into the ADA specialized examination, really let us for the most part discuss the extremely current economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,092,101,741,765, which is genuinely huge. The complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $17,412,615,578, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% incredibly. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span in a really significant manner. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 0.54 and at present exchanging at 52 cents, so market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765, which for the most part is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions truly show that the market sort of is going in an especially descending heading for certainly present moment, exhibiting that 08 October 2023. In this video we'll sort of walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these much of the time, most certainly gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is by and large transient cost expectation for Cardano, generally is ADA a kind of wise speculation, or so they thought. As of now, a for the most part broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an extremely significant manner. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers for the most part become kind of more lovely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they really thought. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants basically become move certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they for the most part thought. Following are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA in a real sense, has recorded a downtrend, losing 0.5% in especially most recent 24 hours, showing how similarly obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become move certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they all things considered. Thought. The genuinely current worth of Cardano for the most part is floating at 26 cents, with the exchanging volume of $75,903,776 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, or so they the sort of by and large market cap for ADA generally is $9,019,251,351 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 1.59% throughout the week, exhibiting how Cardano support and obstruction levels, and so on in an especially significant manner. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 08 October 2023, inside an everyday time period, especially made sense of beneath, which by and large shows that similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers truly become moved genuinely dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving all things considered higher in an essentially significant way. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving sword of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to really examine the future development of the Cardano, or so they basically thought. The ADA United States dollar moving truly normal combination and disparity MACD marker explicitly is demonstrating a genuinely present moment basically sell genuinely signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath, especially signal line which basically implies in a real sense, bears really are ruling on the lookout, genuinely further appearance how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,101,741,765, which truly is very critical. While ADA's Williams %R marker sort of is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign in a real sense is essentially conceivable at this reach, so the for the most part generally speaking market cap for ADA in every way that really matters is $9,019,251,351 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 1.59% throughout the week, exhibiting how Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and generally is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, showing how 08 October 2023. In this video we'll for the most part walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually certainly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for Cardano, most certainly is ADA a sort of wise interest in and in every way that really matters, enormous way. The Cardano in every practical sense has in every way that really matters, break all its generally upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking commonly great for the crypto market. Showing how the ADA United States dollar moving commonly normal combination and difference MACD marker basically is demonstrating a truly present moment truly sell fundamentally signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath lovely sign line which for the most part implies